Alright, what's going on, everybody? I just picked up Chick-fil-A. I'm on break at work, and yeah, shit's been rough lately. Yeah, it's alright, I guess. Yeah, so I'm probably gonna eat my food and then sit in my car and be depressed. But after work, I might go over to Caden's to help him with his splitter because he got that for his car. Yeah, I'll probably record that because it might be funny and I have nothing better to do. So yeah. Alright, so fast forward about 5 hours. We're at Caden's house right now. We're gonna be installing his front splitter. What you doing?
It won't go on the fucking bolt, but it's the proper size.
So this should be I don't know, our job. It's gonna take 5.
We may be going to AutoZone 2 times.
Yeah, we're gonna have to stop at AutoZone like 3 times. Gotta go to Menards. Maybe Advanced Auto. Who knows? But
O'Reilly's.
Yeah,
just
O'Reilly's.
name them all. My bumper's gonna snap in half. I just.
yeah, honestly, I say just zip tie it. Dude, my whole Civic was held together by zip ties, and I have a video on that. Look at Dean.
Someone to come here and shine a light.
Alright, got you.
Dude, I'm really confused. Bro, how the fuck did he... What?
Was good.
Tell me how... Are you recording right now?
Yeah.
Dude, look, how am I supposed to get that second bolt?
I can't see, but
Me neither.
can't see
You
shit.
didn't even know what you were recording, did you?
Nope.
Look at that second bolt right there. Do you see it? Oh,
Where?
How am I supposed to get that shit?
Where?
How am I supposed to get that? Look below, underneath here. Here you go. Move. I'm gonna cut this motherfucker off. Oh, there we go.
All right, we're done.
Okay. I need a light. Sheesh. I need some of this.
I'm always
Dude,
prepared.
I keep looking over the camera. I feel like I'm like in a porno right now.
You are.
Is this?
All right, I need light. So like.
All right, I got you.
My phone's about to die.
Yeah, that's really helpful right now.
Let me see the light. Yeah, you're gonna have to take that off anyways, cause you're replacing the entire bumper.
Dude.
Yeah.
You don't take this off.
No, you're supposed to unscrew it anyways.
Yeah, it's unscrewed.
Screw you.
Well.
Yeah, screw you.
Stop
No,
it.
it's
Get
coming
off.
off.
You're done.
It's coming off. See, I always get the nuts loose.
You always get
The
your nuts
what?
loose.
I always get the nuts loose.
Excuse me, dude.
You should have seen me do the taillights, bro. He couldn't do it, and when I came in, that's when it happened.
Bro. I just didn't want to break anything. I would have done it just fine without you, but
Yeah, sure.
I needed someone for the pressure. You know. Oh yeah.
You got it?
Yep.
Oh, here, you gotta clip a socket's about to go up your ass.
I think you just.
The socket's about to go in my ass.
God, he needs a charge.
I'm a charge.
But stop! We still need to get the other
I
side.
still gotta get this out, just so you can.
Stop pulling that shit out. You're a charge.
I'm a master at pulling out.
Stop. No, you're not. Oh yeah.
You got experience though.
What? Damn right I do. Probably.
I'm stealing your footage right now.
I'm gonna copyright your ass.
Oh.
You just broke the clip.
No. All right, we're done.
We're
time,
done.
Time to go to AutoZone.
Back it up.
Oh my god.
Do that again?
Already did.
That 9 p.m. AutoZone run's gonna hit different in a second.
Fuck you. Shit's so funny.
Oh, is it now?
Yeah. It's because I'm not doing it.
It's not gonna be funny when you get a fist to your face.
Whoa. Got me there.
I'll get Andrew.
Dude, I don't have to talk in this vlog. You guys are just doing it for me.
Yeah. Really?
Alright, guys.
Whoa.
It's a little hot. All right, time to turn my wheel.
Alright.
Don't pull it out, man. Dipshit.
I'm not pulling. I'm just.
I'll tell you when to pull out.
How are you gonna tell me to pull out?
Because I know.
dad.
My engine's gonna.
You don't have a mud guard on this side.
Yeah, I know I don't.
What the fuck?
Makes our job easier.
Yeah.
No, literally.
You don't need those anyways.
You don't even need a screwdriver. You don't even need a screwdriver.
I only drove in the wintertime without one.
Look, I don't even need a screwdriver.
Alright, this side's done already.
You're fucking joking.
You just broke the wire.
Oh no, it's been broken.
Bro.
It's been broken. Both of them don't work.
Update, we're on the other side right now.
Wanna get that
Am I
light?
zoomed out? Yeah. We're on the other side right now. It's going smooth so far, smooth sailing.
Dude, it's like the same on both sides, bro. It's
There
identical.
seems to be a trend.
It's almost like we gotta do that
It's
again.
always the.
It's still gonna be the same way, right?
Yep.
Okay.
No, you gotta turn it the opposite way because we're on the other side.
Holy rust. Imagine I had a
Alright guys, so if you come here, look closely. You'll see my supercharger right here.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. And then my turbo.
Oh yeah. Big turbo.
Big turbo guy.
Big turbo.
Big
guys.
turbo guy. Mechanic.
Big
I'm a
mechanic.
soon-to-be mechanic. Going to mechanical engineering school for that.
Yeah, he's a big mechanic guy. Big wannabe Andrew guy.
Except I'm actually going to college.
Don't ask questions, okay?
I don't think you know what you're doing.
No, you don't. I don't even know. You're doing my own work for me, which is just nice, you know.
It's nice to have.
It makes my life easier. Knowing I can just make people
This
do my
metal
work
flap
for
wasn't
free,
on that side.
and I don't gotta pay them. All right, Dean, take my engine out and put an LS in it.
No, I'm like serious. This thing wasn't on that side.
All right, time out real quick.
This guard.
Alright, so I'm a mechanic and I got the bolt
Oh
out.
shit.
What?
Okay, 1 second.
One more screw?
Stop the video.
Holding.
I don't even know what I'm looking at, but Dean is not a mechanic and he doesn't know shit. We've been trying to get this bolt off for like 20 minutes and he doesn't know what size it is.
It is a 7. What the fuck? The 7 wasn't working before.
Did you get it?
It's a different 7. We're not mechanics. Twin turbos.
Is that a horn?
Yes.
That's a turbo. We got the
Alright.
bumper off after 20 minutes
Wow.
of Dean unscrewing a bolt.
Alright, you got super glue?
Lift the car.
You made the birds run away.
Dean, stop. Whatever you're doing. All right.
We don't know what we're doing. Alright, so that's the end of the video. Yep. New bumper right here. You're about to be mismatched.
I just sent my dad this picture.
What's the point?
Just kicked it.
Take rocks.
I've been jumping about.
So we're taking a little break to play some basketball. Check this out. How high is that hoop?
10 feet
10 feet?
in the Berks. Check it.
That's light work, bro.
Alright, let's see you do it. Oh.
Yo, he did not do that. Yo.
I just dunked on you, motherfucker. Oh shit.
Just give me the ball. Stop embarrassing yourself and give me the ball.
10 feet, bro. That's not 10 feet.
It's not actually 10 feet. It's like 9.5. It's because I broke it.
I got the worst aim, but I got the best handles.
Oh, okay.
Damn!
Oh. You're bad. You're bad.
Stay under the rim. But like not under the rim fully. Alright,
I just died.
That's enough basketball. Back to business.
On God. Gotta document everything we do.
You're taking your thumbnail?
Yeah.
So my camera's about to die. If there's no footage after this, then this is the outro. Like and subscribe, because that's about it.